Scene script. Have you ever contemplated the profound importance of having an email account in this digital age? In the grand scheme of things, an email account may seem like a small and insignificant detail, but when you really think about it, the value of an email account is immense and far-reaching. It's not just about sending and receiving messages, it's about being connected, being relevant, and being a part of the ever-evolving digital world. First and foremost, an email account is your primary mode of communication in the digital space. It's how you connect with friends and family, colleagues and clients, businesses and brands. It's how you send and receive information, share ideas, and express your thoughts. It's instant, it's efficient, and it's accessible from anywhere in the world. Moreover, an email account is your key to the world of online transactions. Whether you're shopping for clothes, booking a flight, paying bills, or ordering food, an email account is essential. It's your digital wallet, your virtual shopping cart, and your online receipt all rolled into one. When it comes to job applications, an email account is your professional image. It's your digital business card, showcasing your professionalism and credibility. It's how you submit your resume, schedule interviews, and receive job offers. It's your gateway to career opportunities and professional growth. Furthermore, an email account is your passport to the world of social media. It's how you register for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social platforms. It's how you create your digital identity, share your life, and connect with the world. But perhaps one of the most overlooked values of an email account is its role as a digital storage unit. It's where you store important documents, precious photos, and vital information. It's your personal archive, your digital safe, and your virtual memory bank. So you see, an email account is not just a tool, it's a treasure trove. It's a digital asset that holds immense value in our daily lives. It's a powerful tool that enables instant communication, facilitates online transactions, enhances our professional image, and stores important information. So having an email account is not just a luxury anymore, but a necessity. Now, you might wonder, how can you create an email account? Start with Gmail, a popular choice. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First off, go to the Gmail homepage. Look for the Create Account button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter some basic information about yourself, including your full name. Next up, it's time to choose a unique username. This will be the first part of your email address. Be creative, but remember, it must be unique across all Gmail users. Now let's talk about passwords. It's crucial to create a strong password that's hard for others to guess, but easy for you to remember. Lastly, you'll be asked to provide a recovery email. This is important because if you ever forget your password or have trouble logging in, Gmail can send recovery information to this alternate email, and voila, you now have a Gmail account to your name. If you prefer Yahoo for any reason, creating an account there is just as simple. Let's walk through the process. Begin by navigating to Yahoo's homepage and click on Sign Up. You'll be prompted to enter some personal information such as your name and phone number. This data helps Yahoo to personalize your experience and provide better service. Next, you'll need to select a unique email address. This will be your new digital identity, so pick something that resonates with you and is easy to remember. Once you've done that, it's time to create a secure password. Remember, a strong password is crucial to protect your account from unauthorized access. Finally, you'll be asked to set up some security questions. These serve as an additional layer of protection and can be used to recover your account in case you forget your password. And there you have it, your very own Yahoo email account. Last but not least, let's explore setting up an email account on Outlook. The process is fairly straightforward, not unlike the other platforms we've discussed. First, head to the Outlook website and click on Create Account. You'll be prompted to fill in your personal details. This typically includes your first and last name, your country, and your date of birth. Next, you'll have the opportunity to choose your email address. Be thoughtful about this, as your email address often makes a first impression. After you've picked your email address, it's time to devise a password. Make sure it's something secure. A combination of letters, numbers, and symbols often works best. Lastly, you'll set up your security information. This includes a backup email address or phone number and a security question. These help ensure you can recover your account should you ever forget your password. Congratulations, you now have an Outlook email account. To wrap up, let's revisit the key points covered in this video. We've explored the significant value of possessing an email account in today's digital age. It's your passport to a world of communication, information sharing, and access to a plethora of online resources. We broke down the process of creating an email account into simple, manageable steps, using Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook as prime examples. Each platform brings its unique features to the table, but the core process remains fairly consistent. Choose a unique username that represents you, create a strong password that's a fortress against hacking attempts, and set up a recovery email for those just-in-case moments. These tools are at your fingertips, ready to propel you into the vast digital landscape. But remember, it's not just about setting up an account, it's about managing it responsibly and securely. Remember, having an email account is your gateway to the digital world, so set one up today if you haven't already. If